Welcome to the construction of the actor's home. This extensive multi-phased project included 4 new additions along with multiple interior renovations in this occupied community. In an effort to limit disturbance of actor's home daily operations, including resident activities, CCRC Construction Management constructed a temporary access road. The majority of the construction vehicles and deliveries were handled backstage. In addition, temporary stair towers were constructed to maintain safe egress for resident and staff in case of emergency. In an effort to limit facility disruptions for kitchen services, CCRC Construction Management constructed an exterior watertight temporary corridor. This temporary corridor was built using I-2 construction requirements, including fire alarm, sprinkler, heating, and air conditioning. The corridor allowed uninterrupted services to the existing skilled nursing wing until construction was complete. Temporary barricades were erected so demolition of existing buildings could be safely completed. All earth shoring for deep excavation was set in place to allow underpinning to be completed, followed by footing placement and poured in place foundation walls. Underground concrete utility tunnels were carefully constructed so existing utility services could remain uninterrupted. Structural steel with a composite concrete floor system were erected, followed by cold-form metal framing and structural steel sloped roofs. In addition to the above challenges, CCRC Construction Management erected an exterior heavy timber sound wall that housed an exterior mechanical yard, including new switch gear, generator, and air-cooled chiller.